Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your heated front seats and your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you do have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. As you can see, you also have your body side moldings as well. Taking a look just on the inside of the mirror here, you'll also find your blind spot mounting indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. Now the other nice thing is that you do have the power sliding rear doors. So the nice thing with that is that you can actually open up the rear doors via the kick assist feature located on the side here. So all you have to do is just kick underneath where that sensor is located, just as long as you have the key fob on you. That way it'll actually open the doors for you automatically. Now if the key fob is actually sitting inside the vehicle, it won't actually open up the doors for you, so you want to make sure that you have the key fob on you at all times in order to utilize this feature. As you can see, you do have your cloth interior. Sunshade visors just located in the second windows I should say, and if you take a look on the side here, you have the handle that makes access getting into the vehicle a little bit easier for you if you have troubles. And then if you actually take a look down below, you'll find the close button. All you have to do is just push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray interior. Power driver's seat. Taking a look just over on the left hand side, you have your traction control on and off, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and then you also have your gas cap release. And then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, lane departure alert, cruise control, and then you also have the push button start. So all you have to do is push one on the brake, hit the push button, and we'll start up for you automatically. Now, if you take a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on there. So as you can see, you do have your messages menu on here, and that'll be at the end of your menu. Digital speedometer, distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also take a look, at your lane departure alert. Audio, energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring, trip info, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. Now, as you can see, just taking a look at the center dash area, if you go inside the menu screen, you have your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, if you take a look just down below here, you do have your temperature control settings located down below for the dual zone climate control, with your rear temperature controls located in the center. Heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. Now, as you can see, you have your USB and a little shelf area for some smaller items located on here. Mounted to an automatic transmission with your drive mode and EV mode. Now, if you want some additional space for some storage, if you take a look underneath the armrest there, you will find it, along with the power outlet. Now, if you take a closer look just up top here, you'll find your open and closed for the power sliding rear doors and your light controls. Now, if you take a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, if you take a look on the back, you're going to find your backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located in the center. Closing in on the rear cargo spaces, you can see you do have a 60-40 split for the third row. So in the event that you do need the additional space, it is available to you, but if you need more additional occupants, you have that option available for you as well. Now, if you take a look, you do have the 40-20-40 split for the second row. So in the event that you do need the additional space, you can actually fold those seats down And if you want easier access to the second row, you can actually remove that middle seat for yourself. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.